Subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button so you can never miss an update. Can you think of a time when your anger got you into trouble? Or the time when you were overwhelmed with anxiety that you had to fumble through an important meeting? We've all been at a place where our emotions get the best of us. It's not necessarily who we are, but sometimes our emotions makes us do things that we end up regretting. So is it really easy to manage your emotions? If it is, then why doesn't everybody do it and the world will be such a better place? I'd like to explore that with you today and give you 3 simple steps on how to master your emotions. Emotions are a big part of us. However, it's unfortunate that as kids we never learn how to control them. We were never taught how to deal with our anger or sadness, how to calm our anxiety or soothe our frustrations. In fact, we were taught how to distract from them and avoid the unpleasant feelings. So instead of accepting them, we learned to push them away, to suppress them. This can be quite harmful and destructive in an adult life. However, it's never too late. There's always a way you can control and master your emotion. The trick here is not to eliminate them, but to harness them to serve your purpose. Here's what you can do. Number 1, observe. To master your emotions, you need to know what your emotions mean. Pain is a body's way of telling you that it hurts. Fear is a way of telling you that there is a danger somewhere close. Anger is a way of telling you to attack. This is what nature has intended us to feel. What is the kind of emotion that you want to be controlled? Observe in a non-judgmental way. Something like watching a cloud pass up in the sky. You look at it and say, oh, that cloud is big, or oh, that cloud looks like an object. What this does is that when you view your emotions in a non-judgmental way, like they belong to somebody else or something else, you are basically detaching yourself from their control. I've created a worksheet called Mood Monitor, which basically helps you track the moods that arise from these emotions. You can download it for free from my website. The details are given in the description below. Number 2, stay curious. Figure the trigger that is causing you this emotion. When someone or something upsets us, try and ask yourself these questions. Why am I upset about this? What could this emotion really mean? Where does it come from? What do I want to feel? What should I do about it right now? Getting curious will help you understand the challenge that you have. It means that you have now become more aware of the surge of emotions that are happening within you. Number 3, acceptance. We should not, must not suppress our emotions. Rather, accepting them completely as they are will help us get rid of the burden of finding a cure. So when you feel the surge within you, let it flow. Don't fight it. Just make sure that you are not making any hasty decisions during this time. Just stay with the surge and feel it completely. Acceptance means that you are learning that your emotions cannot really harm you and you're letting go the attempts to control them. And just like passing clouds, you will understand that your emotions too come and go. They're not permanent. They're not here to stay. This knowledge of impermanence will make you stop feeling like a victim. You will get out of the self-pity route. And as you practice it deliberately, you will begin to master your emotions. Should you need more information on how to master your emotions or help in getting it done, I suggest a free discovery call with me. The details are given in the description below. I hope this information was resourceful to you. Please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe and keep sending me all your positive vibes. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in chapter 4 coming later this month. Bye-bye.